I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Sheets to Gmail using Zapier to automatically send emails with no code, using the current desktop interface. To follow along, make sure you have a Zapier account, access to a Google Sheet with at least one row of sample data, and a Gmail account you can connect. We'll set up an automation called a Zap that sends an email every time a new row is added to your sheet. First, go to Zapier.com and log into your Zapier account. On the dashboard, click Create and choose Zap. In the Trigger app search bar, type Google Sheets and select it. For the trigger event, pick New Spreadsheet Row. This tells Zapier to watch your sheet for any newly added row. Click Continue. Now connect your Google Sheets account. Zapier may prompt you to grant permissions. Allow access so it can read your spreadsheets. Then select the specific spreadsheet and worksheet you want to monitor. For best results, your sheet should have clear header names, like email, subject, and message, so the fields are easy to map later. Click Test Trigger to pull a sample row. If no data appears, add a test row to your sheet and try again so Zapier has something to work with. Next, click Add Action. Search for Gmail and select it as the Action app. For the action event, choose Send Email, then click Continue. Connect your Gmail account and approve access so Zapier can send messages on your behalf. Now map the fields. In the To field, select the email column from Google Sheets so each message goes to the address in the new row. For subject, you can type fixed text, pull a value from a column, or combine both. In the body field, write the message content and insert sheet fields wherever you need personalization, such as names, order numbers, or links. Take a moment to proofread. What you enter here will be sent exactly as written. Click Test. Click Test. Step to send a test email using your sample row. Keep in mind, this sends a real email, so it's smart to use a test address in your sample. If everything looks good, click Publish to turn the Zap on. From this point forward, every new row added to the selected worksheet will automatically trigger an email through Gmail. Quick tip: make sure your sheet doesn't have blank header cells and avoid moving columns after you publish, as that can break field mappings. Also, this trigger fires on new rows added below your headers, not on existing rows, so add data normally to see the automation run. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.